Hello guys, lebitso la ka ke Athinko Sibiela. So re tlo solve x le y smartinus. So re na le equation tsa rona tse pedi. So ha re solve smartinus tlamehile re shebe equation le gore e simple re ka sebetsa ka yona. So re na le 2x minus y is equals to 17 le 4y plus 3x is equals to 9. So equation e leng e simple ha ra equation tsena ke equation 1. So re tlo sebetsa ka equation 1. So re ka ngola equation 1 as negative y is equals to 17 minus 2x. So re tlo divide both side ka negative 1. So ha re divide both side ka negative 1 re tlo sala ka y is equals to negative 17 plus 2x. So ena e tlo equation 3 ya rona. So ha re qeta ho nna le equation 3 ya rona re tlo shapa equation 3 ho equation 2. So re tlo nna le 4 bracket negative 17 plus 2x. Be re kwala bracket ba rona re nna le plus 3x is equals to 9. So 4 multiplied by negative 17 it will nna 68, negative 68. Be re nna le 4 multiplied by 2x it will nna plus 8x plus 3x is equals to 9. So re tlo add di like terms. So re na le ka mona ka right hand side ya rona re tlo nna le positive 11x. So ha re nka ntho ena re transposela ka mona re tlo nna le 9 plus 6 8. So re tlo nna le 11x is equals to 77. So re tlo divide both side ka 11. So 11 ena tlo cancela le 11 ena ka mona re tlo sala ka x is equals to 7. So ha re qetile ka equation ena re tlo nka 7 ena re substitute mo re bonang x. So guys re tlo sapa ntho re tlo sapa 7 mo re bonang x. So equation ya rona remember re na le 4y plus 3x. Remember re kreile x ya rona e lekana le positive 7. So equation ya rona remember ena le 4y plus 3x is equals to positive 9. So mo re bonang x re tlo kenya 7. So re tlo nna le 4y plus 3 multiplied by 7 is equals to 9. So 3 multiplied by 7 it will nna 21. Re tlo nna le 4y plus 21 is equals to 9. So re tlo nka 21 ena re transpose. So ka mona re tlo sala ka 4y is equals to 9 minus 21. Remember guys, ha re transpose if ile positive we transpose la ka mo writing it will change side. So ka mona re tlo sala ka negative 12 4y. So re tlo divide both side ka 4. So ena tlo cancelana le ena re tlo sala ka y is equals to negative 3. Kapo re ka nna ra sapa ntho 7 a rona mo equation 3. Equation 3 remember ene le y is equals to negative 17 plus 2x. So re tlo nna le y ka mona e lekanang le negative 17 plus 2 multiplied by 7 it will nna 14. So negative 17 plus 14 it will refa negative 3. Thank you for shebella.